Hi everybody, it's Pete Steeler. We're here today to introduce a video we made of Rogers City area, and then we went north to Seagull Point and we found some beautiful rocks. Rogers City was kind of sandy, but once we got a little bit north, holy mackerel, we found some beautiful places on Lake Huron. And let me take a minute to thank everyone for checking in on us, because we provide everything you want to know: where we're at, what we find, what amenities are there, and this is to help you find what we're finding. And so we consider ourselves the travel guides to rocks and minerals in Michigan, and we hope that you'll subscribe. We have good viewership and we really like that, but subscribing means an awful lot to us, so we hope you'll take the time to do that. But now we're going to take you to Rogers City over on the east side of the state. M68 got us all the way there, and then we went north on 23 to Seagull Point. So check this out. We're at Lakeside Park in Rogers City. We just thought I'd check it out. It wasn't easy to get here. The road just west that runs parallel with this lake road is all closed, so it was kind of hard to get to. We had to come in from the south side or the north side at the marina, but it's got a lot of nice amenities for kids here. Great playground. A gazebo. It looks like there might be restrooms over there. Has amenities there like that. So here, and there's the marina over there. So now we're just going to head to the beach and check out the shoreline and see if there's anything worthy of anything worthy for a rock hound or two. Volleyball nets, very nice. A grill out here, benches, very nice. Picnic tables everywhere. What a beautiful park, Lakeside Park. Okay, when we get to the beach and the shoreline, we'll let you know what we find. All right, well, we're approaching the shoreline, and there's a little like edge here where the waves come up, and it's a lot of gray rocks. Huh. A lot of gray. And of course, our little buddies are out here. Cousins of course, of Gertrude and Heathcliff. Oh, these are very small, just pebbles. We're now eastbound down Seagull Point Road, probably, toward Seagull Point. And this is off of 23. We're just north of Rogers City. So hopefully Seagull Point, it looked promising when I saw stuff others had posted on it, and so we'll report. Well, this is Seagull Point, north of Rogers City, Michigan. We're getting a view of the limestone, the primarily limestone beach. The country's largest limestone quarry is here in Rogers City. Oh, I see some color out there. Yeah, a lot of it's slag. I can see it's slag. That's from all the smelting that had gone on in the 1800s here. I'm taking my shoes off and I'm going to walk out there and take a peek. Yeah, this is a beautiful beach. Macadamite. There's some, looks like possibly a big piece of epidote. See some fossils. bright red piece. Let's see, what is this? Could be jasper. Yes, it is. I believe that is jasper. So that's very nice. Huh. Well, out of all this plain looking stuff, it's got some surprises in here. Seagull Point, huh? All right. So it's nice to see some color. Now, as we get out a little more, it gets very dull. So I'm not sure whether they're oxidizing or what's going on, but there's hardly any color out there. I think they're just coated with something that's growing. So we're gonna stick with the shoreline and keep walking it and see what we find. Okay, getting used to this chest harness I've got. I'm wearing a mic that helps with the wind issue. Hopefully this will work well. Yeah, not terribly exciting here, but it's got some promising color in pockets. Could even be agate around here. Ooh. Oh, what did we find? Wow, that's interesting looking. That is very interesting looking. I'm not sure what to think of it. I'm guessing slag, but I'm gonna cut it and see what it looks like down the road. Huh. Yeah, I see red in here. So I suspect some of this is jasper. Looks like the waves can kick up a little here. Just enough to splash your little tootsies. Something red down there. Let's see what it is. Friend or brick? What do we got? Come on. There, I got it. Oh, it's feldspar. A nice piece of feldspar. Yeah. Just a big chunk. Oh, feldspar. What do we have here? Ooh, that's cool. It's granite. And it's got some epidote in it. It's not real green. Yeah, it's got some quartz and a lot of feldspar because it's real red. Very nice piece of rock there. It's catch and release today. Pretty much. It takes a real special rock. Not real special. Like I took that real agatized looking one with hopes that there might be something special to it if I cut it. But generally, taking rocks home has waned because we can only take so many home at a time. 25 pounds per person per year is the limit off of state land. So being in a state park, we're taking it real easy like. What do we got here? More feldspar. Beautiful to look at. Not a lot of variance here. Guess I'm looking right into my own shadow, which is like rule number one when it comes to filming, right? Get out of your own shadow. I see some green over here. I'm going to check it out because some of the green slag in Huron is just really beautiful. That's just granite. A pretty cool piece of granite. Nothing to jump up and down about. Yeah, not a whole lot of bright colors here, really. And I've noticed that, oh, there's a real green one. What do we have here? Oh, that's greener than most, but still pretty much epidotic basalt. Yeah. Yeah, the whole place is a little hard on the feet. But at least we took a darn good look up and down here. The point, I'm not sure where that is, but I thought the waves kind of splashed together at that point, much like they do over at Sturgeon Point, which is a spectacular thing to see. Yeah, see our video on south of Alpena to Sturgeon Point. It's really good. All right, so Seagull Point State Park, north of Rogers City, Michigan. Oh, wow. Well, this will prove whether the microphone works.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. This is wild. This is like almost all pebbles. Very small. The whole beach is just really small pebbles. Nice thing about Seagull Point Park, State Park, is that there is there's a restroom here, an outhouse, a porta potty. I'm not sure what those are. It's possible those are bathrooms, but this is September 2nd, Friday, the first day of Memorial Week, Labor Day weekend. So, all right, we're heading back to the car. We're gonna go north to Agate Beach, and hopefully they have bigger stones and agates to boot. We see a roadside park here, just north of Seagull Point Park. Thought we'd check it out and see what we get. All right, we're gonna take a walk down to the beach and see what it looks like. Well, I've walked pretty far south on this roadside park beach, and the further south I walk, the more the rocks look like pebbles again. So it's really nice to know that this park is probably right dead center of where you want to be as far as finding rocks and minerals. There's plenty of feldspar out here. Looks to me like another piece of Unakite. Wow, that's just beautiful granite. Holy mackerel. Just some spectacular stuff out here. This is really nice. I found some jasper, bright red. How you doing, ma'am?
Good.
All right, just checking up. A lot of chain coral? Oh wow, I haven't found any. I've kind of been looking for it too. Oh, all right, folks. If you see chain coral, let me know. I always look for amygdaloidal calcite, but I think this is just a blob of slag. But sometimes those blobby calcite can be that could be geodes. Don't find them much here. More or less in southwest Michigan. That's where I found those so far. All right, gotta put you back in there, little fella.